Okay, so data moving faster than you can even think about it,
Mm.
like way faster. And we're talking about a new device, a gold nano device, actually, that just completely shattered data speed records. It was called a plasmonic modulator, and it can convert electrical signals into optical ones. And it does it at just absolutely crazy speeds, like exceeding 1 terahertz. So to kind of wrap your head around that, that's like downloading a whole HD movie in like a split second. That's the kind of speeds we're talking. And you might be thinking, oh, cool, faster downloads. But like, what else? Well, hold on, because this goes way beyond just, getting your movies faster. This could like totally revolutionize the way we communicate and process information, even like diagnose illnesses. It's all because of this really cool thing called plasmonics. Basically, this nano device, it uses the way light and free electrons in the gold interact to get these crazy speeds. It's like a tiny little antenna that grabs electrical signals and turns them into these light pulses. And those pulses can travel through fiber optic cables at, the speed of light. And here's where it gets really interesting. This could be like the backbone of 6G, the next generation of mobile communication. Imagine like totally seamless virtual and augmented reality experiences, instant holographic communication, smart cities where everything is talking to each other in real time. It's pretty wild, but it doesn't stop there. This gold nano device could also be huge for medical imaging. Like imagine high-resolution 3D images that let doctors see inside the body with crazy detail so they could diagnose things earlier and way more accurately. Think about techniques that give real-time feedback during surgery so that the surgeons can be even more precise. And then there's the high-performance computing centers. They need data to move super fast to process all these massive data sets. So this could lead to breakthroughs in scientific research, artificial intelligence, even like developing new materials. It's pretty exciting stuff. And it's not even just about like how fast it is. This plasmonic modulator is like super versatile. It can handle a crazy range of frequencies from like 10 megahertz all the way to 1.1 terahertz. It's like having this universal translator for data, so it can just move smoothly between all these different systems and devices. And that opens up so many possibilities for using this tech in all kinds of different ways. Now let's like switch gears a little bit and talk about another field that could totally change because of this. Spectroscopy. Basically, it's a technique that scientists use to figure out what stuff is made of. And if we can transfer data faster, it can make spectroscopy way more accurate and efficient. So like imagine scientists being able to study like a brand new material and see how it acts in real time. That could lead to some seriously cool stuff like more efficient solar panels or even like lighter and stronger building materials. Pretty amazing. But now you might be wondering, okay, this is all cool, but is it just like a lab experiment or are we actually going to see this in our lives? But the good news is there's this company called Polariton Technologies, and they're already working on bringing this terahertz modulator to the market. Their goal is to make it something we can actually use in tons of different applications, from data transmission to like really high-tech measurement stuff. So picture this. You're at the airport, and the baggage scanners are using this tech to find anything dangerous super fast and accurately, or like radar systems that give you way more detail in real time so our skies and roads are safer. And what about scientific instruments that can analyze data like crazy fast that could lead to so many new discoveries and just push the limits of what we know? It's really mind-blowing when you think about it. I mean, this tiny gold nano device, it's nuts that something so small can move data that fast. It really shows you just how powerful nanotechnology is, And the researchers who are like pushing the limits of what's possible are geniuses. It's a total game changer. But the craziest thing is we're just getting started. Like who knows what else we can do with this as data speeds get even faster? What kind of like crazy new scientific discoveries or technological advancements will we see? Maybe even like new art forms. It's a pretty wild future we're headed towards. And it all starts with this little device that's changing how we move information forever. It's pretty awesome to think about.